This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight to Device Manager. This is faster than reinstalling drivers. Once Device Manager is open, make sure you're signed in with admin privileges. Next, expand the keyboard's node so you can see the internal device entry. Don't unplug anything yet. Simply identify the built-in keyboard device name. If multiple entries appear, note which one lists a built-in or HID keyboard. That's the target you'll disable in the next step. Now you disable the internal keyboard. Right-click the identified built-in keyboard entry and pick Disable Device. Windows may show a warning. Accept it to proceed. After disabling, test immediately by pressing several keys to confirm the input stops. If the laptop has a hardware setting that re-enables on reboot, make sure to keep track. Otherwise, the device remains disabled until you re-enable it. If you need temporary control, attach an external USB keyboard as an alternative input method before proceeding. To finish, verify the built-in keyboard stays inactive. If you want it back, return to Device Manager and choose Enable Device. If Windows redetects the keyboard automatically, uninstalling the driver and rebooting will remove it until Windows reinstalls. Do this only if necessary. Make sure you have an external USB or Bluetooth keyboard available as a fallback. If things go wrong, re-enable in safe mode or system restore. This recovers input without complex repairs and keeps your data intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.